Hello again, it's Noob, and what I have in my hand is an extremely large Euro cylinder. This is quite a beast actually. It's about 13 centimeters end to end, or about 5 inches, which is pretty big for a Euro cylinder. And this is actually a GEGE Europa. How do I know? Well, Talonpic sent me this. Thank you, Talonpic. And he's written GEGE Europa on the side. In fact, I will also link to the video where he picked this video. He's a much better picker than I am. I have removed, if you look here, the circlip from this side. I intend to gut this side because gutting this side is going to be really hard, just because it's so long. So I'm going to try and gut this side, which should be possible. I've got a front follower here, so made by Gaz, which is really cool. So I'm going to use that to gut it if I can. Okay, let's have a look at the key. The bitting isn't too bad. But GEGE, yeah, they make tough locks, and there's a 5-pin one. These little things in the side are not side pins. Well, they are, but they'll be passive. They'll be key control pins if it has any sort of little passive pins in the side of the lock, so that it adds an extra layer of control over basically people copying the keys. You've got to have the right dimples in for it to allow the pins to slide into, so that the whole core can turn round. But with that no key in the lock, they don't actually do anything at all. Right, that's enough talking. Let's throw this in a vise. Let's have a pick. GEGE are really tough locks to pick, so let's see how I get on. All right, see you in a second. Okay, here we are in the vise. There's the key. Just going to pop this in, and I'm not going to pull out the core. I'm going to remember to put my finger over here because the circlet's missing on the back. Took that off earlier. In terms of picks, I've got a range of quite thin picks designed for Euro locks. So I've got a Southall Max 07B in 23 thousandths of an inch. I've got a Sparrow's short hook. Actually, that's that's a short hook in 20 thousandths of an inch. Piece and Gem in 18 thousandths of an inch there. So tensioning will be provided by one of my favourite all-time tension tools, the bent 2.5mm wiper blade insert. Just round it off on the corners and you're good to go. Works perfectly in the lock. Look at that. Start off with the Southall Max 07B. Just kind of get in there. Start at the back. See what we get. Try and wiggle my pick over around the warding. Ah, yeah, good. Straight onto 3. Little click. 4's binding. I can get onto it. There. Little click on 4. Now 1. Ooh, nice. Well, that's 2 actually. That's 1. Go on to pin. Ooh, tiny click on pin 5. 4. There's definitely more to give there. 3. Not getting anything out of 3. Okay. I might go in with a deeper hook, might go in with a gem if I can get in at the bottom, wiggle it round again. There we go, 3. Tap 5 again. Round to 4. 3, 2, 1. Do you know what? It feels really nice in there. It's like the pins are all setting nicely. Gonna go back in the 23 thousandth hook. So nothing on 1. Can't feel anything on 2. Nothing on 3. Oh, 4's quite low, so I reckon it's something to pick on 4. There we go, little thing on 4. Clicked on pin 5 there. Little click on 2. There again, some of those clicks are probably me just picking this very sharp warding, frankly. Sometimes when you think you're actually picking a pin, you're not. You're actually picking the actual lock itself. Oh, just tapped pin 4 there. Just tapped it like you wouldn't believe how soft that tap was, and we haven't opened. There we go. That is one tough lock. Okay. I believe, looking at this, that the passive pins, if there are any, are between the places where the key pins would sit. So if I rotate it round all the way, oh, I hope this works, it shouldn't lock up until it hits here. And then I can take this off and I can try to gut it from the front. Okay, so first things first, can you see that beautiful undercutting on the, or at least a ledge on chambers 2, 3, 4 and 5 here? Just look at that. Really, really lovely. Don't see that in a lot of locks, but really great when you see that. And that just catches the pins really beautifully. Here we go. And just look at these gorgeous GEGE spools. So thankfully the key pins themselves are kind of standard, but just look at these amazing sort of multi spools, these ASA style pins. Let's have a look. There we go. And these act somewhere between a spool and a serration, and combined with that undercutting, really something special. Very cool. Well, there you go. That's a GEGE Europa. A tough pick, to be sure. And I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you very soon.